Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to continue our service category in Laravel. So guys, in this video we'll be doing how to update the data into database. So guys, till now we have added and fetched the data. Now we are going to edit the data. So after editing it, you have to update the data. Okay. So guys, now we will be learning how to update the data by its ID. Okay. So guys, let us get started with it. So let's go to our this service category page. Okay, so resource views. Inside that views we are on the admin part. So inside admin service, and this is the edit blade dot file. Okay, PHP file. So guys, this is the page which we are seeing over here. Okay, by ID1 we have fetched it, the data. Okay, so now we are going to update this data. So when I click this update, the data should get updated from here into the our database. Okay, so this is our database. So this database is called in Laravel by the Eloquent model things. So through that we are going to update it. So guys, let's get started with it. Okay, so guys, now till now we have fetched it. If you are not understanding this, please watch out the previous video how to edit this data and fetch into a text box. So from the text box you are going to update it. So guys, first step we will set a URL. Okay, so for example we will tell category update. Okay, so when you are going to update this, you are going to update with the ID. Okay, so that ID will be actually called by this normal fetching values. So guys, we'll paste this and call the ID. So you can see it over here. Done. So to update that, you need one method also to update it. So Laravel provide this method field. Okay, so string will be like put. Okay, so we'll use this put, and let's go to our route. So we are going to copy this route, copy this, and let's move to our route web.php. We are on the admin part, so we'll just paste it at the admin. So let us use the called put. Okay, put method. So this put is actually we are using from here. Okay, so when you put here, then you are going to use the put method. If you are using patch, you have to use patch or match. So whatever you are using, you have to apply over here. Okay, so there are only 3 things to update in this method things. Okay, so you can if you want more detail, you can go to laravel.com website and understand these things. So let us get continued with this. So category update with the ID. So I'm going to provide this ID also, and let's go to our simple controller, that is service category controller at update. Okay, so this is our controller. So inside admin folder we have a controller. So let us go to our app folder, http controller. Inside controller we have admin, and their service controller is over there. So there is no function called update, so we'll create a function called public function. So function called update. Okay, so inside this update we are going to request the input tags. So I mean to say this, when you are going to submit, that time this request should be sent by the post method. So we are going to, that is called requesting over here. Okay, so let us call request $request. Okay, and we are getting the data also by ID, so we will take the ID also. So guys, we will create a variable called service category is equal to, we are going to find that from the table, from the Eloquent model. So my Eloquent model I have created for this table is service category. So scope resolution I am going to find the what ID. So that $ID is over here. So this $ID is coming from your web route, that is URL. Okay, So I mean to say, from this category update, and this is the ID you are passing through the web route over here, ID, and passing to this update, where you are taking with this from here to find the correct table ID and update the contents. Okay, so guys, let's copy this and tell that what are the names. Okay, so you can check over here, service name is there and service description is there. So before that, we are going to set this that database things. Okay, so you can go to your database and check in this format, or else you can use your eloquent model which we have created it. Okay, so why it's taking time? Yes, so you can copy from here, okay, and paste it, is equal to $request of input of your input name. Okay, so that input name is from here. So let's copy this and paste it into your controller. That's it. Okay, so same thing with the description also I want it. Okay, so let's copy this and paste, and again call the this description value, okay, over here. But we need that database name. You can copy from the database, or else you can copy from your eloquent model. So that model is over here. So let us go to that model that is inside our model folder, service category, so where we have described over here. So copy this and paste it over here, and take the request, request request input of your field, okay, input tag. So let us go to edit page and take that input and paste it over here. Done. So guys, now it is set. So guys, now after this you are going to update this. Okay, so let us call this variable what you are using this in everywhere. So you will use update method and close it. Okay, so after this, so once updated, we will return and redirect to the page. Okay, so return and redirect to the page with one status. Okay, so that status is like status, or you can tell the success status code and the success. Okay, so let us copy this. In previous video we have done with this, or else you can set this. Okay, so copy the status and paste it over here, and tell comma and use the category updated. Okay, service category updated. Before this we are using some other things like sweet alert message type, so we can use this also, where we will set for the success message. Okay, so we will just paste this also, and let us save it. And yes guys, so let us test this once again. So let's get back, reload, not reload, we'll get back itself. So over here, so as we are on the fresh page, let me reload once again, and now let's edit to the second part. Okay, so click, so from tank cleaning we will call as pest control. Okay, let's copy this and let it be tank cleaning only. So because this error, so we'll change it to tank cleaning back. So let me update, and it should go back to which page, where it is, there is none. Okay, so over here we will set this page. Okay, so once it's completed, we'll call this page, this index page. So let us copy this and paste it. That's it. So guys, now let's get back to our editing part, pest control, and let me update it. So hope it runs correctly. So let's update pest control and see the data. Boom. So guys, we have service category updated successfully. Okay, done. Okay guys, so if you want this kind of alert one, you can watch out my sweet alert video. That link is given into description, how to make this pop-up message. So guys, we have completed the how to make a update in Laravel. So let me edit and make it correct thing, that is tank cleaning. So let us copy this tank cleaning and update it. Done. So guys, yes, it's updated once again, and let us see tank cleaning. We are back to this. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. We have completed the edit and update one also, and in last 2 months next video will be how to delete this video. Okay, I mean delete this data, sorry for it. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.